Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see who viewed your Instagram video. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys must have to know that to post a video on Instagram, there are two methods. The first one is by posting through story. The second one is by posting through reel. So in the first method, if you want to see who viewed your Instagram story or who viewed your Instagram video through story. So you guys have to just simply post a video on a story. And after posting the video on Instagram story, so you guys have to just tap on that story and you guys just have to swipe up. After swiping up, here you guys will be able to see the list of all the users who viewed your Instagram video, and you guys can easily access to their profile by tapping on them. Here I don't have any viewer on my story, so you guys will be able to see if there is anyone who viewed your Instagram video through your story. The second method is by posting through Instagram reel. So in the second method, you guys have to just simply post the video through Instagram Reels. So after posting the video through Instagram Reels, like this one, I have posted this through my Reels. You guys will be able to see limited number of users in the Instagram Reels, but you guys will be able to see the total number of views on that reel. So let's suppose that here you guys will be able to see there are 8 views in that specific reel, but you guys cannot be able to see who are those people. You guys will be able to see in the grand scheme of life. Here you guys can see just limited number of users in the likes section, but you guys can only see the total number of likes and total number of views, which are 8 plays and 7 likes. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.